If you're looking for an easy Valentine's Day dinner that feels special without a sink full of dishes, this one pot meal is perfect. Today I'm making a cozy Valentine's dinner using my Gourmetific pan, and the best part is that it goes from the stove to oven to the table in the same pan. I love recipes like this because everything cooks in one pan and I barely need any oil, and the non-stick surface makes cooking and cleanup so much easier. This pan is especially great because of the detachable handles, which makes transferring it from the stove to oven super simple. I'm starting by lightly sauteing some garlic, onions, and tomatoes with just a small amount of oil. Everything cooks evenly and nothing sticks, which is definitely a plus. Once everything is layered in, I go ahead and remove the handle and place the pan straight into the oven without transferring it over to another pot, which means that I don't have to do any extra dishes. This is one of my favorite features, especially when I want something that feels elevated but still easy. After it's done baking, it comes straight to the table, and I love that this pan doubles as a serveware. It looks so good for Valentine's dinner at home. This is the kind of meal that feels special without being complicated, with minimal oil, easy cleanup, and only one pan from start to finish. If you're planning a cozy Valentine's dinner at home, this is such a simple way to make it feel elevated without any stress.